Hey yo, what is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to check out how to transfer funds between accounts on Cash App. So if you got a Cash App account, you want to know how to transfer funds between your accounts, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. Now the first method is to use the Cash App mobile app to do so. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and open the Cash App and then sign into your accounts and tap the balance tab on the home screen. Tap transfer and select the account you want to transfer from, in case you have multiple accounts, of course, and select the account you want to transfer to, and of course enter the amount you want to transfer. Confirm your account transfer details, make sure everything is correct, and then once that is done, it's pretty much over. Now the second method is using the Cash App website. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Cash App account on the website. Click the balance tab, click transfer, and then select the account you want to transfer from. And the second is to select the account you want to transfer to. And after that's done, enter the amount you want to transfer, then confirm the transfer details, and you're pretty much done. Now there are some options you can use for transfer. The first is the instant transfer. So that's transfer funds between Cash App accounts directly. And the second is the standard transfer, where you transfer funds between Cash App accounts within 1 to 3 business days. So whichever one you want to go for, that's up to you. Now you got to note there are fees attached to it. The instant transfer has no fees for instant transfer between Cash App accounts. So if you basically enjoy the benefits of both you the sender and the recipient both having a Cash App account. For the second standard transfer, there are also no fees there. So I guess that's a sweet deal you get for using Cash App. As long as both of you have Cash App accounts, you don't got to worry about fees. So but there are some requirements though. Now the requirements, the first is to make sure both of you have verified accounts. So if your accounts are verified, then you get to enjoy those benefits. And of course you got to ensure that both accounts are linked. If they're not linked, then you probably might not enjoy those benefits. So make sure the accounts are verified and they are both linked. So once that's pretty much it. So I hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and let me know what you thought down below, comments, and of course share the video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please make sure to do that. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos and our useful videos. If you like it, please make sure you follow us. And that's pretty much it for the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.